I'm Brittany WTI, and your doormat can say a lot about you.
And this FIOZOR rubber doormat says that I like things easy, durable, and beautiful. This mat is not very big, but perfect for our door. It is 2 feet by 16 inches. It has great grip on the backing, so this isn't going to be sliding easily. The rubber is so thick and durable. I love the beautiful design of the deer, the trees, and the mountains because that's where we live. We have deer all over the place. This mat is so easy to clean. If any debris gets on there, you can shake it off and then you can just sweep up the rest of the leaves and place it as if nothing had happened. It is waterproof, so it not only protects it from the elements, but it is so easy to clean. It looks brand new once you wipe it off. I just love, again, the detail and the look of this mat. It really adds something special to our front door and also is useful when you're coming home with dirty shoes to make sure you can keep your house nice and clean. The beautiful silhouette is not too heavy, but is very durable to handle both me and my husband's dirty feet.
Also love the beauty that it brings to my front door and how it matches the area I live in. And that's my point of view.